What's up, everyone? Welcome to Video Diary 3. This is Pierre Orange coming at you. Today, I'm doing a series of monkey portraits. Monkeys in clothes. This was one of the best series I ever done in a while. It was tough, but I got it done. Here's a look. Here, we got monkey in a suit. Monkey in a dress. Monkey rapping KC. A chimpanzee version of fictional style communist Nicole Weston. Pirate monkey. New York Yankees fan. Baby chimpanzees. So cute. Another monkey in a dress. Muscle monkey. Monkey in a spacesuit. Monkey with purple hair. And monkey with autism. This reminds me of Rain Man. Did you like what you see? Have it not blown your mind? If so, subscribe or leave a comment.